Hello and welcome students to Skylark Lifestyle Hub, where we get you the latest updates about the jobs which are available in the industry for our students to grab them and get placed in the airline, travel industry and hospitality industry. This is Vipin Sharma, your expert in aviation and tourism industry, and I am here today with a very good news about one of the best job opportunities available for you to grab in international airlines. So we have news that Singapore Airlines is hiring the cabin crew and both male and female. And what is the eligibility criteria? Let's look at that. So they will be conducting the interviews for cabin crew from India very soon. And to become eligible for the same, you have to meet the following criteria. Number one, you should be fluent in English and good communication skills. So students, that is why we always tell all of you that communication is the key. If your communication is good, if you can speak well in English, then the plenty of job opportunities are available for you to grab. But if you're still having challenge, there are ways and we are helping our students, and you can also find out from us how you can improve your communication. Secondly, you should have a good personality and you should be service oriented. So that is why we help our students with a personality enhancement program, which help you to learn about the body language and get the confidence which is required for you to crack the interviews. Your minimum height should be 1.58 meters for female and 1.65 meters for male. You should have a bachelor's degree from a recognized university, which means you should be a graduate. If you are not graduate, you cannot apply for these jobs. You should be willing to relocate in Singapore because that will be your base, and willing to commit and serve for a compulsory service bond, which they might be getting it signed from you later on once you are appointed. And last but not the least, that the successful candidates should be able to join within 3 months from the date of their application. Now again, the online registration is mandatory for this, and as you can see on the screen, the applications are right now open. This is the link on the screen. Please copy this link or otherwise note it down and go on this link, because this is open for registration till 30th of November. So students, what are you waiting for? This is the dream job that you always want. This is what you've been working hard on yourself to get ready and reach that stage where you can join the international airlines, and this is a great opportunity for you to grab. I'll be back with more such updates about various job options available for our students. Till then, keep learning and enjoy your journey of success.